Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are unboxing my brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. And yeah, man, I haven't opened this yet. This is actually my first time ever of having my hands on one of these, and this hasn't been opened yet. So let's just see how brilliant or not so brilliant this phone is. And yeah, just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so yeah, guys, I've been waiting for. Okay, I don't need this. I've been waiting for some time now, in order to get my hands on one of these, and yeah, man, I am just so excited. Yeah, like starting with the box, man. Like, it's it's weighty, obviously, because the phone is inside. But yeah, let's remove one of these. And this is literally my first time ever of unboxing an iPhone. And yeah, let's just, whoa, okay, let's do the bottom. Let's do the bottom. Yeah, man. Get that out of the way, and let's see. Wait, I think I'm holding it outside down. This way. You see, oh my days. This one, it's in black as well, bro. It's in black as well, and oh my days. This is, yeah, I would say this is a milestone on so many levels. And yeah, man, I need to get a case for this. I didn't manage to get a case yet. And yeah, let's put the phone aside. And here is our Type-C to Type-C cable. And what is this? Okay, I think this is your manual, I think. But yeah, you don't really need this. But it's actually disappointing that that's all you get in the box. But yeah, I don't really mind. All I care about is this. Let's just get this out the way. Oh my days, bro. Like, this thing is so clean. Okay, let's power this thing up. Hopefully this thing has been charged. This is literally the first time this thing is switching on, and yeah, guys, this is amazing. It's amazing. Okay, I think I need to chill out, but yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. I'm gonna set it up as well and just run a few tests. But I really like this black, guys. I thought about going with the white or the desert titanium, but I think I definitely chose one of the best colors. And yeah, compared to the 15, the black on this is more darker than the one we got last year on the 15, and same goes for the white as well. And yeah, let's just get this thing going. And yeah, we got a dynamic island as well. I just can't stop looking at the back, bro. Like, you have to understand, I just can't stop looking at the back, bro. It's just so good. Okay, let's just leave it normal for now. I don't really care about any of this. Okay, right now I just have to set up my Face ID. Let's do it right now. Get started. Okay, this is gonna be kind of awkward because, like, okay, let's just. Oh, I need to actually transfer my stuff from my Android, but I'm not gonna do that though because I have some unnecessary stuff that was on my A18 Ultra, and yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So no, I don't need that. And the moment I've been waiting for is the hello. That was in another language just now. And okay, it's changing languages now. I'm not liking this. Can we go back to English? Yes. Okay. Hello. Yes. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. And yeah, man, let's swipe up and see. Oh, Face ID is already done. Update your iPhone. Continue, obviously. Turn on. And yeah, I'm just choosing dark mode because yeah, I like everything darker. And by the way, can you guys see how thin these bezels are, bro? This thing is basically bezel-less. Like, it's the titanium around it, and then it's the screen basically. The bezels are so thin, bro, and I think that's one of the things that I really like about this phone. And yeah, let's just continue, bro. All of that is unnecessary. Not now. Definitely not now. continue. This is my first time using the camera control button. Let's just click on it. It says click camera control to open the camera app, then click it again to use as a shutter. And welcome to Apple, guys. Let me just swipe up, and yeah, we are ready to go. So yeah, I'll be making a lot of videos on this phone now, and yeah, man, most of my content will be created using this phone. And yeah, yeah, but I just don't know what to say right now. And yeah, I will make tips and tricks on this phone, and that's one of the main reasons why I got it as well. And there is so much to explore in these settings, guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this journey with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Leave a comment in the comment section on how you are feeling about this phone. For me personally, I'm actually blown away. And yeah, if you like tips, tricks, tutorials, technology and gadgets, just make sure you leave a like on this video, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new posts, and do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.